Carlton Home Entertainment brings you an extensive collection of children's videos full of music, fun and adventure for you to share with your entire family.
Tots TV!
Join in the fun with the Tots at their secret and magical hideaway house in the woods.
Super Tiny! Super Tiny! Super Tiny to the rescue!
Then travel into the secret world of Rosie and Jim.
Here is Rosie, here is Jim.
I am Princess Starla.
And Starla and the Jewel Riders brings you romance, fantasy and adventure.
By the magic of the Sunstone!
The bananas in pyjamas are always up to lots of mischief.
Ooh, there's a letter B too. What does it say? Must be a fairy party on the beach.
The classically animated Beatrix Potter video collection includes timeless tales that your children will love.
Who in the world is this?
I'm Timmy Willie.
And the old bear books are brought to life with captivating model animation.
Rabbit peered under the car. How does it work, he asked. With this, said Little Bear. Whoopee!
The Willows in Winter continues the story of Ratty, Mole, Badger and Toad.
Look, Ratty! New hands!
What is that thing?
All of these wonderful children's videos and more are available from Carlton Home Entertainment for you and your family to own.